Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2018 Dodge Durango RT all-wheel drive, stock number E2103XA. 46,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Granite in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seat 7, leather interior. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Outboard middle row seats are also heated. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Backup camera and rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 50-50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This RT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof overhead. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. Cruise control. Paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Durango has a 5.7-liter HEMI V8, 360 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles per gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Durango, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.